Alright guys, so getting ready to go to Whipfest. Got the Regal cracked front and all. We going, man. I don't know why it looked like this though. You know, a long way from being done, but I want to show up, so I'm coming through. It is what it is, y'all. It is what it is. Cars under construction, built not bought.
Hey, yo, D Brooks. Hey, get them together, man. They out here riding in lemons, man. Show them how to do what you do, dog. I got you. Yeah. How you gotta ride, but you can't ride in it? How you got to drive, but you ain't driving it? Tune in, I could get you right in 5 minutes. Hit subscribe for these rides, I put my life in it. I used to keep it going if the outside was clean. Now I'm grown and I put away the childish things. You gon' have to do a lot more than wipe it clean. I could give you all the tools you gon' likely need. Lift that hood up, y'all too worried about the trunk, dog. Once y'all get that, you'll stop landing in the junkyard. Once a man gets one car, he treats it like a chariot. Some go wrong at the end of it, it's kinda like a marriage. So tune in, tune up, lock in. It's D Brooks, dog. I'ma give you real life.
Cars on the trailer, Texas bound. And yeah, we'll see how it goes down.
Give you real life game by the book, dog.
Damn, they ain't going fast at all. Yeah.
Just go around them.
Just go around them. Oh, dang. What's up, guys? We're on our way to Texas to the Whipfest. We got the conduit money G-body Regal behind us, and yeah, we're taking it easy. We're not trying to go real fast. It says it's about 12 hours away. I thought it was going to be 15 hours away, but looks like it's only going to be 12 hours away, so 11 and some change, right? So we're just cruising, taking our time, guys. We've been linking up with people. I didn't really announce it to a whole bunch of people. If you guys knew from the older videos where I said I was going to go, then you know. But I haven't really been talking about it a lot because I just didn't want a whole bunch of people to know how I move, you know, when I'm leaving home and when I'm coming back home. So, but this video is definitely going to drop after the Whipfest. So you guys are going to see it. I'm really excited. I'm going to go see, you know, some of my friends that I haven't seen before. And, you know, hopefully take the car down the track at the Dallas Motorplex. It'll be the first time I ever take the Regal down the track. So, show them where we at. Alright, so we're in Kentucky. We just made it to Kentucky. YouTube. So, all right, YouTube. So, as you guys can see, we are in Louisville by the field hockey. So, on our way, man. This is a road trip. Getting some gas right now. I'll show you guys the car real quick. I'll show you the car. Hey, sir. Let's say Cardinal Health. Let's say Cardinal Health.
Yes,
My mom works at, well, she worked at the one in Columbus, Ohio.
Oh, that's where I've been.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I've been up there right now.
Dublin?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, I gotta go over to the lab right now and pick up some stuff.
Oh, okay.
Well, actually, it's a Westchester. You know, they got a lab up there by.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's cool.
That's cool. Put the car on here, guys. So. She a little dirty, but we managing. We're managing, guys. Damn, what the? Is it too much 10 weight or no? I was thinking maybe I should cover it up. You'll see this crack right here. I ain't even gonna mess with it, man. I'm gonna mess with it. What's up, gang? It's your boy D Brooks. So we just now crossed over into Arkansas. Regal's still back there, so that's good. And there it is, West Memphis, Arkansas. I didn't even know there was a Memphis, Arkansas. But yeah, we're in West Memphis, Arkansas, apparently. And yeah, man, looks like this is going to be a little bit flatter. I think it is a 15-hour ride. Our GPS was kind of messed up. We planned for the 15 hours, but take a peek. Gas. We stopped a couple times to get some gas. Been pretty much straightforward on the road. Gas prices are definitely lower down here. You can see this one's like $4.55. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it's like $4.55 over there. When we left home, it was $4.88, $4.90. So it's definitely a little less expensive down here. But I'm gonna try to bring y'all some more content as we go through the trip. Y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're on our like third gas stop. We're at Love's here in Arkansas. I don't know exactly where we're at, but this is our little setup right here. I need to take my U-Haul to get serviced because this strap is starting to unravel and we can't have that, so I'm not trying to come back with that. So, but yeah, man, we on the road. We almost to Whipfest.